Welcome to British India. British India is introducing India's top 3 best features for learning communication skill in the most flexible way. Number 1. Attend or take live classes online from anywhere, anytime in the world, either from home or from office. Number 2. For fluency, pronunciation, accurate learning, phonetics, and to learn as a native speaker, take live practice with Americans or British anytime from anywhere in the world, either from home or office. Number 3, for revising your notes, receive digital notes in the form of slides or videos anytime from anywhere in the world, either from home or office. Thank you.
मैं यहाँ पे आपको कम्युनिकेशन स्किल का सिंपल एक टर्म में मैं आपको मीनिंग बताना समझूंगा ताकि आपको अच्छे से याद रहे और उसमें आपका हर चीज़ आपका आ जाए। तो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल का सिंपल टर्म में यानी एक स्मॉल टर्म में आपका इसका मीनिंग है एपिक। जी हाँ, जिसका हम कह सकते हैं EPIC, एपिक। ये टर्म इसलिए उठाया गया है ताकि आप लोगों को ये अच्छे से याद रहे। और एपिक का मतलब ये होता है कि जिसके ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं हो, क्योंकि एपिक आपका मूवीज़ होता है, एपिक आपका काव्य होता है, एपिक का मीन्स आपको बखूबी इन सब इस टर्म के बारे में ज्ञान होगा या नॉलेज होगा। पर यहाँ पे एपिक का जो मीनिंग है वो ये है कि ई से हम इफ़ेक्टिव एक्सप्रेशन की बात करते हैं, पी से प्रेजेंटेशन की बात करते हैं, आई से इम्प्रेसिव और सी से कन्विंसिंग। यानी ये 4 चीज़ें अगर आपकी बातों में है, या जब आप किसी से बात बुक कर रहे हों, कभी स्पीच दे रहे हों, किन्हीं के साथ टॉक कर रहे हों, प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हों, भाषण दे रहे हों, कहीं पे भी ये 4 चीज़ें अगर आपकी बातों में है तो आपका जो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल है वो टू द बेस्ट है, ठीक है, टू द पॉइंट है एंड एट बेस्ट है।
Although there are various explanations about communication skill, there are people, there are writers, there are linguists, there are grammarians who have given their own thoughts on opinions on communication skill. They have given different definitions on this. But today I will not make a mountain of a molehill. I'll simply go on a single term that will explain everything to you. And that is why I have defined the communication skill in a single term, which is EPIC. EPIC. E for Echo, P for Papa, I for Indiana, C for Charlie. Where E stands for effective expressions. That is, when we speak, we should express ourselves at best. It doesn't mean that we just have to throw out the words, the content which we have got, or we have copied it from somewhere else, some books, some Google and all. No. When we get an opportunity to speak, we need to give ourselves best so that we can express ourselves at best. Because there are people who are giving priority to us, or priority to the speaker, and they expect best from us. They expect that we should give ourselves best, not only to impress them, but also we should serve them at best. For example, let's take an example, because example is better than precept. We prefer to go to have dinner in a 5-star hotel, although we can get the same food on street. Why? Because we want to be served at best. We want some we want some good place, some good foods, and that should be decorated so that we can like them first and then we can have them. In the same way, speaking only words and speaking only sentences is not enough. We have to express ourselves best. We should speak in such a way so that we can give proper focus on each word, pronouncing all the words, not the sentences merely. So that, and we can, yes, and the best thing is that we should enjoy while speaking. We should enjoy, we should give up our full enthusiasm, we should love while speaking so that people can hear us and they should know that, oh my God, he can be our inspiration. He is the right person who speaks really very nice. So in such a way, we should express ourselves, and that is the only thing which is expected by the people. Not only by the people in college, universities, schools, colleges, seminars, conference, everywhere. When someone is speaking, they need to care the people who are there to listen to them. And that is why effective expressions should be there. Now the second term is P, that is presentation. Exactly. Everybody looks for some presentation because merely speaking will not work. If we know how to present our content, if we know how to present ourselves, that is called presentation. Means presentation includes proper eye contact while speaking, gesticulations, gestures, body language, the way we stand, the way we talk, the way we move, the way we shake our body, the way we turn, the way we interact with the people. All these things should be in a proper way, in such a way so that everyone who is sitting there or who is listening to us, they should appreciate us. And all these things we can do by simply doing everything confidently and boldly. So there is nothing to fear about. There is nothing that should scare us. No, not at all. If we have got an opportunity to speak, to give our best, then we should care the people, not only in speaking but also in presenting ourselves. We should be well dressed. Our hair style should be well combed. Our hair shouldn't be dry. It should be a bit shiny so that we can color our hair or we can simply oil our hair so that we can look cool. We can have a soothing personality. There should be a smiling face when we speak with the people, when we interact with the people. That is, all these things when come together, then that it is called presentation. So presentation is not about wearing suits and standing on a stage and simply speaking. No. Presentation is all about presenting ourselves internally and externally. Means while speaking, everything should be in a presentable manner so that people can appreciate us and they could find that, oh my God, he's the right person. I was always looking for such a person, and I would ever like to be, and I would always like to be like him, like her. So when we go or when we speak, then we should keep 2 to 3 things in our mind. We should be more energetic, we should be confident, we should be enthusiastic, and we should be vibrant, so that people can listen to us and we can provide only positivity, only positive. So if we simply focus on providing positive presentation by simply becoming confident and bold, then our presentation can be good enough. Now the third term, that is impressive. When we speak, whether it is face to face or on a stage or in a classroom or college, seminars, conference, anywhere, then our focus should also be to impress the people. Because until we impress the people, the energy that we are putting there will not be worthy. So the best thing is that we should be focused to impress the people as well. And in order to impress the people, we don't have to do anything extra, nothing. By simply wearing a charming personality, by simply putting a smile on the face, by simply maintaining the eye contact with the people properly, and not with a single person but with everyone. In these ways, by shaking hands properly and confidently, by leaving the house or the conference room positively, by simply talking to the point, by summarizing all the thoughts in a single term or a single line, is all about to impress the people. So impressing people is never about talking too much, beating about the bush, never. Talk to the point with a positive attitude is all about to impress them. If we put our subject positively, and if we consider the thoughts and the opinions of the people who are there listening to us or talking to us, that is also called to impress them. Because if we simply impose our thoughts, our opinion to them, that is not going to work. No time. We have to give priority to the listener as well, so that when we speak, they could listen to us, and when they speak, we could listen them as well with positive attitude, and we can appreciate them as well. That is all about impressing the people. So if for example, if there is a leader, political leader, and if someone comes to them and he tells about his problem or her problem, and the leader simply denies, then the leader may be that on coming days people will not elect them, people will not choose them as a leader again. Because a leader is who cares everyone. A leader is who gives priority to their people first. So one should have the personality of a leadership. Leadership is not about imposing our thoughts, opinions to our subordinates. Leader is who is strong enough to bear all the burden of their teammates, their colleagues, their subordinates on them itself. If they can bear the burden of their subordinate mistakes, if they can fix up the problem which their subordinates has committed, they are the leader. So all these things should be there to impress the people when we speak. So the best thing is that when we speak to the people, when we speak with the people, when we talk to them, then the focus should always be on convincing them as well. And how can we convince? By simply putting the benefits, features, ideas, their advantages which they can avail from our product, from our services, or from the opinion or the thought which we are there to put, or which we are putting already there. So convincing can depend on one thing, and that is how our opinion, thought, ideas contains or materials are useful to the listeners, to the people. If we are able to put our ideas, opinion and thoughts in any conversation in such a way so that people can find that useful, not in terms of listening, but in terms of their in their real life, then the fourth part, which is to convince the people, will be done. For example, if I talk about any product, for example, American Express card, then there are so many credit card provider in the market. Then why should one go for American Express card? Then there we need to differentiate American Express credit card from the other banks' credit card. American Express credit card never consider on simply providing a card to the people. It believe in providing the card to the people to facilitate the people's life first, to provide them bonus points, so that so that on a regular expenditure people can avail minimum benefit of 7,000, where the alternative benefits are welcome heritage stay in ITC hotels, Amazon voucher of 8,000, Bose Bluetooth link speaker. So if people can avail all these things on their regular expenditure without paying anything extra, any EMIs or any rate of interest, then credit card, then the American Express, the credit card of American Express will make difference. But if there is nothing such things in American Express, then I don't think that talking about the American Express card or selling the American Express card will be useful to the people. So convincing is all about, I'm again summarizing, convincing is all about impressing the people, convincing the people in such a way where our ideas, thoughts, opinion, contents and material are not only useful, are not only good in listening, but also useful in their life. And if we focus on this, then that fourth part, that is to convince the people, will be done. Because I believe everyone in this world is a salesman, whether he is an executive of a company or a CEO of a company. Why? Because the entire world thrives on one system, that is barter system. So if we are selling our product, our service, everything is business. And when it's business, somehow we are selling something, either directly or indirectly. Now, so the meaning of communication skill, that is EPIC in a single term, is defined now, where E for effective expression, P for presentation, I for impressing and C for convincing. All these four terms are explained. Thank you so much. And guys, if you like this video, please share, please comment, like, and people who are there who want to learn all these things in online classes, they can attend their online classes by simply putting comment or by simply visiting our Facebook page and putting their मैसेज। थैंक यू।
हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम श्याम कुमार है और मैं एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ। 2014 में मैंने डिजिटल कॉमर्स प्रोडक्ट, जिसमें सिस्टम मैकेनिक और ILO प्रोडक्ट्स को US एंड UK में प्रमोट करने का काम था, उस बिज़नेस को मैंने फाउंड की थी। और ये जो बिज़नेस था, इसका नाम था K&K बिजनेस सॉल्यूशंस एंड को, और ये एफिलिएटेड था वर्ल्ड जायंट कंपनी टू चेकआउट, जो कि एम्स्टर्डम नीदरलैंड में बेस्ड है। 2016 में मैंने कम्युनिकेशन स्किल ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट फाउंड किए, जो कि आपका एक ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म है, साथ ही साथ इसका फिजिकल लोकेशन भी है। यहाँ पे आपको कम्युनिकेशन स्किल ट्रेनिंग सिखाया जाता है, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, बॉडी लैंग्वेज, ये सब कुछ आपको यहाँ पे सिखाया जाता है। साथ ही साथ इंटरव्यू ट्रेनिंग और ग्रुप डिस्कशन की क्लासेस भी यहाँ पे होते हैं। एमबीटी का सबसे बेस्ट फीचर ये है कि आप यहाँ पे इंडिया का टॉप 3 बेस्ट फीचर्स आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा, जहाँ पे आप क्लास कहीं से भी ले सकते हैं, लाइव, एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड, ठीक है, एनी टाइम, एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड। सेकेंडली, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल सीखने के टाइम में, यानी इंग्लिश सीखने के टाइम में सबसे बड़ा जो प्रॉब्लम होता है वो ये होता है कि हमारा फ्लुएंसी जो होता है नहीं हो पाता है। हम सीख लेते हैं इंग्लिश, हम थोड़ा बहुत बोल भी लेते हैं इनफैक्ट, लेकिन सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है कि फ्लुएंसी का। तो उसके लिए मैंने इंडिया में फर्स्ट टाइम इंट्रोड्यूस किया है लाइव प्रैक्टिस विद अमेरिकन्स और ब्रिटिश। डिपेंड आपके ऊपर करता है कि आप किनके साथ आप बैठ के घंटों आप प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हैं और अपना इन्फ्लुएंसी, ठीक है, डोमेस्टिक लेवल नहीं बल्कि इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे अपना ठीक करना चाहते हैं। और ये थर्ड जो है वो है कि रिवीजन और प्रैक्टिस के लिए हमारे पास सॉफ्ट कॉपीज़ भी होते हैं, हार्ड नोट्स भी होते हैं, साथ ही साथ डिजिटल नोट्स भी होते हैं, जो कि आपको स्मार्टफोन में भेजा जाता है या स्मार्टफोन में आपको मिलता है। वो आप एनीवेयर एनी टाइम इन द वर्ल्ड आप रिवाइज कर सकते हैं, प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। यानी ये बहुत ही फ्लेक्सिबल आपका मीन्स आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड करता है सीखने के मामले में, ठीक है। आप कौन से टाइम में एडजस्ट करके क्लास लेना चाहते हैं, प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हैं या रिवीजन या करना चाहते हैं, ये सब कुछ आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, आपके टाइम के ऊपर, आपकी जगह के ऊपर, कहीं पे भी, ठीक है। तो इसमें फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आपको बहुत ही मिलता है, बहुत ही एक्सट्रीम लेवल तक। और एम्बिटिश का मोटिव ये है कि कम्युनिकेशन स्किल ट्रेनिंग, जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है अभी के टाइम में, चाहे आप इंजीनियर हो, डॉक्टर हो, एडवोकेट हो, कोई बिजनेस पर्सन हो या कोई भी हो, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल जो है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। क्योंकि आप जब तक आप अपनी ओपिनियंस, अपने आइडियाज़, अपना प्रेजेंटेशन लोगों तक आप नहीं पहुंचाते हैं, ना तो आपका कस्टमर बनता है, ना आपका क्लाइंट बनता है, और ना ही आपका जो पर्सनालिटी है वो निखर के बाहर आ पाता है या फिर आपकी क्वालिटी लोगों तक पहुंच पाती है। तो इसलिए कम्युनिकेशन स्किल जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, please like or dislike, put your valuable thoughts, opinion in the comment box, share on Facebook, WhatsApp, Google Plus, and where you want to, so that your friends, your colleagues, your batchmates or your relatives, they can also watch the same video and they can get benefited. And anything you want to add, then please go to our Facebook page Ambitious India and put your valuable comment there. And yes, please do not forget to subscribe our channel, because that will give you a reminder when you subscribe the channel. Please also click on the bell icon. That helps you to remind you whenever we upload any new video. Thank you so much once again. We love you a lot. God bless you.